guys, welcome back to Jess and Tori.
Good morning, Vekwo in Lauda mem. Hey, Helaya Tilhi Kamudu, Tewa, he vacuum and Diamo car wash Namunakan Kala. Car washing Namunakan Kala. Joanin, and now Poisa dollar cut can pay Hianin, Heta Hianin, can Tundu Tanga coins, what coins cut he needs to. Go coins, Tony, hey, Joanin. Chuan hei hianin kan car chhung te kha kan vacuum the ni chu en lo arim tui le shampoo te kan du chuanin kan ti thei bok ta a to lo ma chuanin en lo car kan du le he ake mo puncture vel chuanin du chuanin hei kan thei ni chu sei thiam noi lo kan pam o pam nang kha ni ta a chuan mun chen kha chuanin apam nang hi chu free te po mamo chuanin hela ma po pakhatom le chuanin so car wash na ni ta car wash don re khanin car sil don re khanin jidang dang om ta so lai me che pakhat me chenu ti so chu en lau mani a sil don ta tlom do big ta ni chu mani khan sil me ni chu chuan hi chu kan lut ta pa hei lo zok he ta pia ber zok hi chu tlan lu ta pen alo sil vek don ni chu chuanin so alo spray tu te tiang kham ta hian poisa pek na card te cash te tiang zong kha am pom vek ta ni chu hei aman kha in zia khape ka chen chu dollar som te dollar quarter sari kan ti du zir khan mo ti dan sang kha om veka shed lo po kha instructions kha ta hian lo om veka ni chu chuanin poisa ta hian thun theya chuanin card pek du chuan heta cardin hati thei bok mo chu kalo sei zo ya so sil na big ani ta kan sil zo so lai kong khar so in hung le ta he ta hian tui lak na ma hey dora kan kal duwa chu wang kan pathum kan chuak lo ka ta hian kan cash kha kan da nga chuan coins a kan lo changa coins kha aron ka thadon ni chu chuan khan tui cái filter ang ko lấy thấy thao mà xe cầm ba thế này lại mi thiang thì mình dọc cả chụp bằng lại mi cần ban lấy cái gì là hey vậy hey mi cần phun ven thì cả hạt vậy thì cả hạt thì vel đấy it depends right it depends how much we drink water
7 ounces every day so yeah it goes fast
này là sao hard work tốt nè như ta ngã trong cái mà hàng cái thịt chuối na cái tí hi chuan khu a dai rekin ka fill up me ani chu hei dan a hran yan khum le mi pan nya mo an sei lo ve ni chu an ti ve reng te se ui coin sat la kha de ni
Oh, that's at the brim, man.
huh
Okay, good enough.
okay that's our hard working
Hey,
let me bring the car
no.
chuanin heng lai a hian storage thang om ta baby that they call garage right those storage right okay mi ta anei tu chu mi dang ni ta mi khan van lua ta ni chu how much it will cost to rent one storage
It depends.
usually like do you know average
Mom and Dad used to. I'll ask them.
daddy do you know how much the price for renting the garage the storage
30 a month. What? 30 a month. 30
storage
I really don't I don't know
like 30-40 bucks something
I haven't rented one in years
yeah
I really don't know how much it costs.
aman za che kan no shila so malte te in mi khanin alwa thaini chu lo a rent thaini chu mo now Ui, still ka say da hi ka tir nga ha thla. Ti son pakhat te son min an lua theya. Pakhat an lua khanin thakata chu ti zat chu ti han pek tu khom feka. Chuan thil da that nan te hei in lian vak lo nei garage nei lo tan te le an thil lu poimo te an da thin du wang hanin I tiang ang hi ren tur hi om thin ni chu mo. Chung te chu ka lo sei ve bok ani chu. Với ni khoa chu nuam khop me ni poron chuak ve a vo dam po zia da hlet ni sa thale me voin chu ka pa in motor khala da hi Uttar is driving. Do you have license? So like asong uncle do na IGA and tia Kirby Foods. We say IGA, but why is saying Kirby Foods?
Kirby bought them out, I guess, because they used to be under the franchise IGA.
And now they are owned by the employee owned.
Oh, big. Hey, American flag ani hi. American flag. That's our beer too. A brown. Your beer looks like a brown color, like a brown, light brown, blonde. Daddy's gonna drive his car again. Tapo tuilay turom tao ni bottle rock tanin mo hey. 49 cents. Hey Jerry, lo oma. Woohoo! Which one I'll take? So good. My cherry. Zora, ingi ka, what is this, baby? Raspberry and Zora mase. Hey, mi po blackberry. Te po ikan neve vek kami Zora mama se. Mas oh I never seen in my hometown this one, but we have this kind. For into soup kasiam dona chu wang nia mushroom kan lei don mushroom. They don't have bigger one.
No.
This is enough. We still have some at house.
Yeah, there's 8 at the house.
Hey, vai mi ponzuar ni mo. This is what, sweet corn or? Did you see cilantro?
That's not part.
Yeah, they're the same. Yeah, that's good. Take that one, Daddy.
Cilantro.
Yeah, take it. Cookies, shang. They smell good.
These are pastries.
Wow, that looks big.
Mm.
What kind of cake is
Orange
that?
cake.
Orange cake. These are chocolate. Oh, they have donut here. Donut pakati $4 niya. Daw cook me.
Fire.
Bye.
Some kind of cake.
They don't have macaron, right?
No. You have to go to a
What is this?
fancy bakery.
This like a donut.
Yeah,
kind
those are the
of.
holes. See how they cut the hole out and
Oh, hey, okay, I get it. Let's check out. Atsung check zela ngayon mo. Looks like it's good.
Yep. If everyone moves, then you know it's not good, but not crap.
Artui hemi bom khati sompah ni oma dollar khadle som real pakwa.
hey, there's the paper.
I wanna get something she like, not like she try something.
You want her to try something new? Is that what your intention is?
All vine. Let's see. Maybe this one?
You want it on the bottom? I don't know if it'll fit. I can carry it if you want. You got it?
Kendall Jackson is good. Yeah. Dollar General hiang ang kalelok do na in law kan endo na I give back fel mo ka give how dan tour fel le card fel han lutang e o lam play china wang hian at boke.
They got more down there. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, I see like peach color.
Yeah.
Do you think that will fit here?
Yes.
Yeah, this is perfect.
Good job.
Or do you guys want this?
No.
I like this color.
Yeah,
Go with your gut
that's nice.
instinct. I think it's right. Oh.
And then
That's like a
glitter.
packet.
This one. Okay. I'll use her bow tie from him.
You hit your head on it.
What was that, Daddy? They used to put on top
paper.
paper.
It's right down here. Right there. That should all be paper.
Those are tablecloths.
Well, it's tablecloth and it's down here. Somewhere right here. Oh. And then is that paper? Or bag?
Yeah. Gift tissue.
Gift tissue, that's... Yeah.
Yeah,
You want to do the gold?
gold.
Right here.
$1. Whatever one you like.
That's it.
Good job.
This one is for her to put on her birthday when we go party, so the people know that it's her birthday.
There you go.
Birthday.
Maybe they'll sing to her and give her a free dessert.
Yeah. Starbucks.
2 for $5. That's cheaper than McDonald's.
What do you get?
Mocha. One
Get one for Daddy.
double shot espresso. Those are more coffee.
Show me.
Try it. Oh,
Show me what you
triple
got.
espresso.
All the same price?
Frappuccino. Do you want one, please?
No.
Is it all the same price?
Yeah. Yeah, 2 for $5.
Yeah, so better you take two.
Any one you want.
Yeah,
Let's do it.
that's good.
triple shot. Here you go.
What?
What?
It's broken.
Can I see your ID? They say yes, and I assume it's the saggy boobs.
What about this? What about this, baby? For a mom who is loved so much. Can you read the inside and see, we find out if we like?
I'll make way here.
Yeah.
What's inside?
In this busy world we live in, there's little chance to say the many warm and heartfelt things we feel from day to day. Although you seldom hear it, please remember it's true. There's not a mother anywhere loved any more than you.
That's a good one. Yes.
And they're showing their saggy
What?
boobs
Shake it.
as their identification.
Oh no, we won't do that.
To prove their
But I
age.
want something cute, something sweet. So
Well, sweet or funny?
sweet. Where is the case? The book.
You want an envelope? There are no envelopes for it.
There's no envelope.
Not on that one.
Do you think it will fit it? Yeah, it will.
The fit?
Thanks. Yeah. Which one you think is worth it? This one is $5. This one is 4 and 25, 36. I think this one is more
How
like
many?
38. The difference is $1.
These are thick and those are
No,
they're regular.
no, they're thin. No, it's also thin. I'll take this one. No, that one, no, it come along with it. Yeah.
Okay, now.
What's inside?
It just says
Say, please wait, processing.
Gift card kalau tilang chan hi chu mi birthday ate thil pek tur mai te han shilawila gift card hi kan le mi ta dollar som nga te dollar zahni man te oma ha kan le man ang kha an va man thei nan tu na restaurant avakal se until a du zong kha an va eta panga hemi gift card hi an pe mai don ni chumo chu a thave ra ul to ka kalau tilang zoi ni chu asial ka ti topa. So say bye bye,
Bye. We'll see you next time.
Daddy.
bye.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah, thank you for watching. See you later.
Hey, kanu present to basket kalay khan ya peach color nalti wang le tlem gold tel kha kalaya chanchu ron soi fya dona chuan in hi birthday huna dinner kan ei chwa huna he name tek ang da mo kora ka wasa nga chuan in abel turin mo gold color thau ka thang lia gold color ka than chan chu hemi hi ka tuam don lo wangin thil ho reng reng hi tihan hi paper ni chu paper han ka repanga wine bottle hey candle jackson hi wine bottle hi ka tuam nga chon hemi be ka hen ka da do na chon hi card ka lei kha ni ta mo kala kina kala tuam man lawa ka tuamang tuam ti mela a paper gold color how hian no heng how hian katua mga tali oma chunga hian atlom khot mei pakhat hi dollar khat chawnin ka shang tali oma phekli oma chuanin hei ka kor lei sak khan ta kor hi ta hian ka thun bok anga chuanin hei pawh ka dah anga chuan wine hi ngei na tapa kan in chu wang ne ka lei maw ha zong kha ni e